Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm back with another video. So in this video I'm gonna unbox the Sigma 16mm lens, which I just recently got it, and we will see what's the difference it's gonna make in low light situation. So right now I'm recording in the night time. Basically I'm in my room and it's quite light. I'm using the ring light right here, and right now I'm using kit lens, which is from 16 to 55 mm, and the maximum aperture is f number is open to its maximum, which is 3.5 mm. So this is the light right now. I'm probably using 40% ring light, and this is the result right now, as you can see. And I increased the white balance plus 0.7 and the camera setting, so I can get a little bit more light in the video. So without any further delay, let's open this lens. It's right here, as you can see. Sigma 16mm f1.4 DCDN lens. So this lens is f1.4, which means it's gonna catch a lot of light even in the darker situation. So let's open it and see what we have in the box. Usually visual stuff. So this is how it comes in the box, and here's the lens, and this is the lens cap on the front, to put that on the front, and this is lens itself. As you can see, it's quite big compared to the kit lens and compared to the 30mm lens which I already got, and it's probably the same. The white balance and the image quality is pretty much the same. I already tested the 30mm one, and I test this one as well. So right now I'm going to test in this low light situation and see what is the quality looks like. It's quite big compared to the 30mm lens, and what's the downside with the 30mm lens is that you have to put it camera quite far away from you to capture like the whole self of you, like when you're recording or talking head videos. So with that lens I had an issue that I have to put the camera far away so I can come in the frame, and the table also come a little bit in the frame. But with this there is no such issue. So let's try this lens on indoor and see what the quality looks like. Alright guys, so as you can see, I already switched to 16mm lens, and it's the camera is on the same spot, and maybe the frame goes a little bit like this because of the tripod, but look at the setting. The f number is still the same, 3.5. I did not change at all because the light is the same and everything is same. So, and I also increased the light from the camera, which was plus 0.7. Let me reduce that and see if the f number changes. Nope, it did not change. Let me reduce the light and see, and it still not change. Alright guys, so tell me what do you think. Right now the f number is on f1.4 right now with the Sigma 16mm lens I'm using right now in my Sony A6400, and I'm recording this video with 4K 24 frames per second. So one thing I want to mention, that with this mode the autofocus is not on when I record in 4K. When I go back to full HD 24 frames per second, then it's on. I can see on the screen. So still it's not that bad. Let's see. It took a while to do the focus. One more time. Alright. Yep, it's a little bit slow because it's dark inside. So let me know what you guys think with this. Right now the f number is f1.4. I'm using the ring light. Let me increase the ring light and see what changes it will make into the f number. So it did not change f number, but it did change the shutter speed. For some reason is 1/80. For I don't know what that does with the video, but here it is. This is the video quality right in front of you. If I move back camera closer to me a little bit more, see, yep, a nice blur background. So the smaller the f number is, the more background blur you will get in your video, so you will be more focused in the video. So so stay tuned for more video. If you want to watch videos me recording video with this camera, with this lens, and do subscribe my channel for more videos I will be posting. So stay tuned for that. More videos coming with this lens, the Sigma 16mm f1.4. I'll see you guys in the next one. Until then, peace.